Good morning and welcome to Bull Stick. This is Kevin Wolf here once again, and today is my weekend, so I decided to take on with my brother to a happening place called Vandri, and I thought why not vlog it. So I'm gonna share with you my trip, my bike ride to Vandri today, and hope you enjoy and stay tuned in. Coming at you. So guys, on our way to Vandri, we thought of picking up some bites. There is a sponsor of the video sitting in the end, treating us with McDonald's today, my brother. And that's the cameraman, Shaman Briganza. And this video is going to be all because of them, because they are the one who actually gave me the thought of taking over this trip for the next time, second time actually. So we're going to hawk something quick and we'll be on the way. Guys, so 1.5 hours of ride, finally we reached Vandri Lake almost. Yeah, it's a beautiful view out here, and enjoy this. So guys, finally we reached Vandri Lake. It's a beautiful scene out here, and as you see, I've already got my memory for this trip. Okay, my brother cannot stop laughing, and the cameraman also is getting behind the camera. So this was so much of fun to be here. This place is actually a must visit if you are a nature lover. happened to explore a little more inside this whole situation. We just happened through some planes and stuff. And it's amazing it's amazing the way I feel right now. Because I don't remember the last time when I was so close to nature, and it's so beautiful. Just look around how much of an awesome thing it is.
After chilling at Vandri for around 2.5 hours, we left for our next destination. The most beautiful thing, I must say, apart from getting to where we were going, so many awesome routes and so many beautiful things to see around while you're traveling. That is nature, you know. It actually felt like home for a minute as we were traveling along. Next destination was Jalram Dham.
So guys, on our way back from Vandri Lake, actually this was a childhood thing that we had gone through. Near Vrajeshwari, there is this hot water spring, so-called spring that we remembered, that we actually recalled, and we said why not go ahead and check it out. So my brother's idea was this, but it was like an hour plus ride from Vandri to here, and it's quite disappointing when you came here because it's supposed to be clean, isn't it? If it's a hot water spring, though it's the way they have maintained it over here, it's you don't actually feel like getting into the water. So I'm going to give you a glimpse of what it is exactly, and it's going to be yucks. So be ready for it.
So basically there are 7 of these hot water springs out here like these. I'm just gonna give you a glimpse. Not very hygienic to look at, but can't help it. Some of them are actually very untidy. You can't do anything. India, I don't know. We really need to work on how we maintain what we got. And these are basically the springs out here. So I remember the last time when I came down here, it was like, it might be like 5 or 6. It looked a little bit cleaner than this. But I think due to a lot of tourism kind of a thing, it's gone worse. So that's hot springs from India for you. Vrajeshwari.
So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, do like, share and subscribe. Also, always here to entertain you, always here to share with you more and more. Thank you for watching, for listening. To what? He's looped on nature, guys.
Hey Ronnie, Niklas, देख.
मुझे लोग लिटरली बुला रहे लगता है. हाँ बच्चे लोग हाँ.
Major bag alert.
How's the Lakshmi going?
Khaled.